Hi, I'm Sanket and here's my friend Rhea. In today's episode, we'll be covering why data science is the sexiest job of the 21st century and how it can be applied around us every day. Would you look at me and think he has the sexiest job of the 21st century? No? Well, I do. I'm an analytics professional who uses data science every day to solve real-world problems, and because today's world is an app economy, my job pretty much ensures that I will stay relevant, and staying relevant is sexy. But even though data science is sexy, it comes with slog. But let's talk about that later. Let Rhea and I show you all the endless possibilities first.
Ever wondered how when you upload a picture on social media sites, it is able to suggest how you tag your friend in it? One of Facebook's most recent investments has been its facial recognition and image processing capabilities. It uses an application called DeepFace, a deep learning facial recognition system to teach itself how to recognize photos of people. They say that this is the most advanced facial recognition tool, and it is more successful than humans in recognizing two different images of the same person.
Or how about when streaming platforms recommend a movie to you, it ends up being your favorite? This is because of the various data science systems they have introduced to make sure their users are watching not just what they like, but what others like too. They use ranking algorithms to provide a ranked list of movies and TV shows that appeal the most to their users. These algorithms, along with many others, are used together to construct personalized homepages for over 150 million users.
Data science helps delivery services to find the fastest route and predict delays in packages reaching you. DHL has expressed its belief in AI when it comes to their own business model and are investing in programs like computer vision, which help explore deep learning-based computer vision algorithms for detecting fraud and optimizing the loading of planes and trucks. It is also looking at developing a DHL global trade barometer that essentially uses AI techniques to provide a free month forecast on the direction of global trade.
Data science even tells you when your flight may get delayed and provides you with alternate flight options to get you to your destination on time. Data science just saved you hours of waiting at the airport. You're welcome. Not only that, airlines like Southwest have been working on a text data mining project with NASA, where specialists use algorithms to mine large amounts of text data generated by airplanes. They also report data from pilots to detect patterns that are aimed at avoiding potential safety problems.
Now, doesn't that sound sexy? It doesn't stop there. Data science is responsible for much more than serving you. It has cracked open healthcare by analyzing large amounts of data and creating self-learning healthcare programs that are more personalized. Even inventing fitness tracker apps to allow people to want to lead a healthy life and to track whether they are on schedule. One of the first applications of data science emerged in financial services when companies were fed up of bad debts and losses year after year. They decided to bring data science practices in to rescue them from these losses. Over the years, banking companies learned to divide and conquer data via customer profiling, past expenditures, payment history, types of loans taken, and other essential variables to analyze the probabilities of risk and default, and it also helped them to push their banking products based on customers' purchasing power.
I myself work in financial services, helping my organization reduce bad debt through data science. So watch the next part of this crash course series where we will discuss the different avatars and roles a data scientist must play. Stay tuned for more.